Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to blur the background of your photos in Canva to create that professional depth of field effect. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Canva design where you have the photo you want to edit. Once you're in your workspace and can see your canvas, go ahead and click on the photo that you want to apply the background blur effect to. This will select the image and allow you to access all the editing tools available for it. After selecting your photo, look for the edit button that appears in the toolbar above your canvas. Click on it to open up the editing options. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to enhance and modify your image, including filters, adjustments, and special effects. Now, within the editing panel that opens up, you'll see various tools and options available for your photo. Click on See All in the Tools section to expand the full list of editing features. This will reveal additional advanced tools that aren't immediately visible in the default view. From this expanded menu, look for and select the option called Autofocus. This powerful feature uses AI technology to automatically detect your subject and blur the background behind it, creating that professional bokeh effect you see in high-end photography. Once you've clicked on autofocus, Canva will process your image and apply the blur effect automatically. The great thing about this tool is that it intelligently identifies what the main subject is and keeps it sharp while softening everything else in the background. After the initial effect is applied, you'll notice controls that let you adjust the intensity of the blur. Use the intensity slider to make the background more or less blurred depending on your preference. You can also adjust the focus position if Canva didn't quite capture your intended subject correctly. These adjustment options give you complete control over how dramatic or subtle you want the background blur to be. When you're happy with how your blurred background looks and you've fine-tuned all the settings to your liking, it's time to save your work. Click on the share button in the top right corner of your screen, or you can click on download if that option is more prominent in your interface. From the menu that appears, select either JPG or PNG as your file format depending on your needs. JPG is better for photos and smaller file sizes, while PNG maintains higher quality and supports transparency if needed. Click download and wait a moment while Canva prepares your file. And that's it. You've successfully created a professional-looking photo with a beautifully blurred background using Canva's autofocus feature. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.